This To Summit pot has been one of the best pieces of camping gear I've ever purchased. They are expensive, but let me explain. The Lexan lid serves a number of different purposes. It could be a strainer for spaghetti or noodles or vegetables. It is extremely durable. This thing has been kind of to hell and back, and it's still intact. I did have to drill a relief hole for a crack because it got crushed in my backpack. It's a silicone body with a metal fused on metal underside, so you can cook directly in it. It collapses almost flat, and it holds about 8 cups of liquid. So the versatility of it is fantastic. I use it, as you see, to heat up water. I don't generally cook in it, but you can if you need to. I like to keep things kind of compartmentalized and clean, so I don't have to use a lot of soap and have to clean up a lot. So I'll use Ziploc bags and things to boil in, and that way I can just eat right out of the bags. But I'm telling you what, this thing is fantastic. It's well worth it. They come in different sizes. This is about, I think, the quart size, 8 cups, or 2 quarts, pardon. But cannot recommend it highly enough.